If you want your WordPress site to truly shine in search results this year, you're in exactly the right place. Today, I'll walk you through a complete beginner-friendly SEO setup for WordPress. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have the key strategies in place to help your website rank better, attract more visitors, and keep Google happy, even as search best practices keep evolving. Let's dive right in. The very first thing we need to get right is the technical foundation of your site. Think of this as making sure the pipes, wiring, and doors on your house are solid before you start decorating. Head to your WordPress dashboard and go to Settings, then Reading. You want to make absolutely sure that the box labeled Discourage Search Engines from Indexing This Site is *not* checked. If it is, Google can't see your site at all, so your content won't show up in search results, no matter how amazing it is. Next, still in your settings, click over to Permalinks. Select Post Name. This gives you clean, readable URLs like yourdomain.com/howtoseo instead of a messy string of numbers. This makes your pages more user-friendly and gives Google an extra hint about what your content is about. Finally, make sure your site loads over HTTPS. You'll see a little padlock in your browser's address bar if your SSL certificate is set up. This protects data, and just as important these days, Google actually downgrades sites that don't have it. If you don't see that padlock, contact your host or look for SSL Setup plugin. Don't worry, most hosts make it straightforward. Alright, your foundation is strong. Now let's add some smart tech with an SEO plugin. These automate tricky behind-the-scenes tasks like submitting sitemaps and adding schema, so you don't have to touch any code. In 2025, my top pick is Rank Math. It's super automated, great for beginners, and even gives you tools like 404 error monitors and content AI suggestions for free. But if you want something super classic, Yoast SEO is also a fantastic choice and walks you through optimizing each post as you write. Number 3, connect your site to Google's services using the official Site Kit plugin. Here, why imagine running a restaurant and never checking which menu items people like. SiteKit easily links your site to Search Console and Google Analytics 4, so you can see exactly which pages get the most visitors and submit your sitemap, making sure Google knows your site exists and can scan every page. This step might take a few minutes to set up, but it's absolutely worth it for the data you'll get. Now let's talk on page optimization. This is what you'll be doing for every blog post or page. Always choose one primary keyword per post. That means the main term you want this page to rank for. Add it to your post's title in the first 100 words and in your URL. Then write a meta description, a short, compelling summary under 150 characters that makes searchers want to click. Think of this as your post's movie trailer. Make sure to use only *1h when heading your title, and then use H2s and H3s to structure your sections. This helps both users and Google navigate your content. And don't forget image alt text. Every time you upload an image, write a brief, clear description in the alt field. This is crucial for accessibility and helps your pictures show up in Google image search. Next up. Speed matters a lot. If your site is slow, people click away and Google notices. For caching, try WP Rocket if you're ready to invest, or Lightspeed Cache for a free option. These plugins save versions of your pages so they load instantly, even when traffic spikes. For images, use ShortPixel to automatically compress uploads without making them look blurry or pixelated. Seriously, a few seconds saved on loading time makes a world of difference. Finally, strengthen your pages by linking. Inside every new article, point to 2 or 3 of your own related posts. This helps Google find and understand all your content and keeps readers exploring your site. Also, link out to 1 or 2 trustworthy, authoritative sites. Think sources like Wikipedia or recognized industry publications. Doing this builds trust with your readers and with Google. And that's your SEO starter pack for 2025. Give yourself some credit. Every small improvement in SEO compounds over time. If this helped you, please tap the like button, drop a comment if you have questions or want more WordPress tips, and subscribe for more practical tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.